Here's how to install our breathable Temcoat Liner Flow. Let's get started. Before installing the Temcoat Liner Flow, make sure to place the desiccants on the container hooks. First, place the Temcoat Liner Flow on the floor and unfold it all the way to the back of the container. The open end should be positioned at the container doors. Tie a rope to the rear hook of the container on one side and pass it through the hooks along the walls until you reach the front at the container doors. Pull this rope tightly and secure it firmly to the hook at the front of the container. Repeat the same process on the other side of the container. Now tie the ropes that are part of the Temcoat Liner Flow and secure them to the last hooks of the container.
Hang the Temcoat Flow Liner from the hooks using the rope.
You can now start loading the container, keeping the opening flaps of the Temcoat Liner Flow aside.
Very important, if you are using desiccants, place them underneath the pallets and on the walls. Contact one of our cargo care experts to learn more about our vide dry bag desiccants and get recommendations on the proper quantity.
Once loading is complete, close the opening flaps and seal them with the adhesive tape provided. And that's it! Your cargo is now ready to be shipped. For any questions, you can contact one of our experts or visit www.epgindustries.com.